Good morning, sir. Our title is Smart Door Security System using OpenCV, and I'm Gautam. My registration number is 18BIS 0074, and he is my teammate Vignesh. Sir, uh, our mic is not working clearly, so we are exiting the meeting and we record it in another screen recorder, sir. My teammate is with me in call, so he'll do the review in call, sir. Sir, actually, this is our code. In code, these are the libraries we use: tkinter, CV2, CSV, NumPy, and SMTP library, etc. Pandas, date and time, etc. Sir, using these libraries, we are created this project, sir. And this is the GUI part. We developed a graphical user interface, sir, for the project. And this is the code for that. We can see the title here. And we define the buttons in the GUI, sir. Using that buttons, we are developing our project. Using that buttons, we are executing the project. These are the we define take images button. This button is used to take it will access the webcam, use it to take the images and train images. It will train the images. And this is the track images button. It will track the image and directly this is the using SMTP protocol. We are directly sending mail to respective officials. Here we use our mail, sir. This is from address Vignesh's mail, and this is my mail. And this is the graphical user interface, sir. Code for that. And now I'll execute the code, sir. This is the graphical user interface, smart door security system using OpenCV. Now I am giving an ID 143 like it. The ID should be numerical. We can't use the alphabet, sir. And the name Gautam Vignesh. Um, the name should be only the alphabet, sir. We can't use the numbers. Sir, we here these buttons are used to clear, sir. 143. And this is the notification. After we just click the button, the notification will be shown, sir. Uh, this is the train images button. This is track images button, and it's a quit button. The details of the worker will be shown here, sir. Now I'll execute the project. When we click the take images button, it will directly access the webcam. It will show it will detect the face, sir. We can see that image saved for ID 143 Gautam Vignesh name. It will directly show the notification that image is taken and saved for the particular ID and the name. This is the train images button. After we clicking the train images button, it will directly match the ID with the image, and image will be trained with that particular name and ID. Actually, we can see the notification that image is trained, sir. This is the track images button. If we click it, it will directly access the webcam, and it will show that 143 Gautam ID and the name. It will be displayed in the like below the face. It will directly create. We can see the worker details: ID 143 and name Gautam Vignesh. The date 5/21/2021. We can see the time 10:52 05 seconds. Um, Here using this using this we can directly take the worker details. Like if you put that put the like um, put this system near the door, directly the workers will come near the camera. Like if you put directly track images button there, like it will directly track their image and it will show the ID near their face, the ID and name. And after that it will directly match with the face and the ID. If their data is matched with the database what we have trained before, it will directly shows that he is our employee, like he's a worker, and it will directly the door will directly open, so he can enter. If an unknown person enters the gate, it will show that the person is unknown, and we can't enter him, and a security alert will be there, so that we can find that unknown persons who can enter that. Okay, we'll just see the mail, sir. This is the mail I given. Taking time to load. Sir, actually my internet is not that good. We can see, sir. We can see that I got a mail. Worker details.csv file. From that CSV file, we the CSV file directly sent to the respected officials who want to monitor. We can see the ID, name, and the date and the time they entered. We can see the date time 10:52:05 seconds, 10 hours 52 minutes 05 seconds. We can see in that mail also will show the same time. So in this way we can get the workers data using this um, using this smart door security system. That's it, sir. Thank you.